This video is in partnership with Skin Iceland, and I will be sharing the benefits of their micellar cleansing water and their Arctic face oil. So to start off, we have a full beat on. I have already filmed this makeup look that I will be in the screen if you want to go ahead and check out this black smoked liner. I'm just going to go ahead and push back my head wrap and take off my earrings so we don't get makeup on those delicacies. Alright, I always like to make sure I put my lashes back in the container, so I'm just going to gently and carefully take them off. We are going to try not to pull out a lot of our lashes, but the lash glue I use is very sticky and my lashes stay stuck to my lids. So we're just going to very carefully take those off and put them back in the container so they can maintain their curvature. Okay, first off, I like to melt my makeup off, so I'm going to take this Your Good Skin Comforting Gel Cleanser. It melts my makeup off. It has a balm-like texture and is fortified with green tea, vitamin C, and bisabolol. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but I'm just going to squeeze some into the tips of my fingers. I was just contemplating like, wow, they're about to see me turn so ugly. So I'm just going to rub that into my face and it's just going to melt off my makeup. This is sort of like a cleansing oil, but in a thicker form. So I just like to melt my makeup off first before I go in and start cleansing my skin deeply. I go through cleansing oils pretty quickly, so I like that this one is super affordable. All of these items that I will be using will be linked down below. I'm just going to go ahead and take a warm, damp paper towel and just wipe off the balm, only because it leaves a film on your skin if you just rinse it off with water. Water doesn't get it off well enough, so I like to just go in with a paper towel and wipe it off, but don't worry, I'm being very gentle around my eye area. And y'all done see me go from 100 to 0 real quick, y'all. Anyways, let's move on to actual cleansing. I'm going to take this Pacifica Rose Kombucha Flower Powered Face Wash. It removes makeup, cleanses, tones, and it has powerhouse antioxidants. I like to put this on my skin dry first because the cleansing balm that we used has a oil feel to it, so my cleanser will not lather if I wet my face and then apply this. So I like to apply it dry, then go to the sink and lather it up so it really deeply cleanses my skin. And then after I rinse it off, I just take a clean dry paper towel and dab my skin dry. I like to use paper towels because cloth towels or towels you use on your body can transfer bacteria, so we like to be bacteria free. Next, I'm going to take this Skin Iceland Micellar Cleansing Water. It dissolves impurities, unclogs pores, strengthens skin, hydrates, cleanses, and tones, girl. You can get it at Ulta Beauty for $25. Fun facts, but did you know it's pronounced micellar and not micellar? Oh my gosh, we have been saying it wrong this whole time if you have been with me. Okay, anyways, I'm just going to take a cotton pad and pump this. It has a pump dispenser, which I like. It makes me feel fancy. It makes me feel bougie. I really like this for removing my eyelash glue, and you're gonna see like some black beads beat up on my skin. That's my eyelash glue coming off. I really love it for this purpose. This cleansing water is super hydrating, you guys. If you use it in the morning, you basically can just use this as your one step and go on with your day because it's super hydrating. It cleanses your skin and it balances your pH, so you don't really need to use anything else. It's perfect for oily skin. So in the morning, that's what I like to use it for, but at nighttime, I really love it for removing my lash glue and removing the lash traces of makeup after I cleanse my skin, and you can see the makeup right there. Moving on, I do still like to tone my skin. I love the Paula's Choice Skin Balancing Pore Reducing Toner. It has antioxidants, hydrating ceramides. It brings my pH back into balance. It replenishes and nourishes my skin. I just really love Paula's Choice toners. They're super hydrating. They don't strip your skin. They don't dry your skin out. So I really aim for products that are going to hydrate my skin, that are going to plump my skin, that are going to make my skin very supple. And moving on, we're going to go ahead and apply this essence. This one is by Fresh Beauty. It is their Black Tea Kombucha Facial Essence. It protects your skin from pollution, which can age your skin. It increases moisture, luminosity, boosts resilience and vitality. I also put that on a cotton pad and I've rubbed that across my skin. Essences? Oh my gosh, girl, I can't pronounce it. They really aid in helping the products that you apply after sink deeper into your skin, and your skin just absorbs it better. So I really love essences for that purpose. There we go, we got it right. Next, I like to exfoliate with a chemical exfoliant. This is 8% AHA Lotion Exfoliant by Paula's Choice. It is an alpha hydroxy acid I love chemical exfoliants because they deeply remove dead skin cells. They don't just remove the layer, they really dig pore deep, and your skin is just even more soft and supple. So ditch the scrubs, girl, and get you a chemical exfoliant. Next, I'm going to take this Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. It's very hydrating and perfect and light enough for acne prone skin, which I do have. I have oily skin and acne prone skin, so I really like to make sure I'm not clogging my pores. So I just put that on the tips of my finger and pat that into my skin, or pat that into my face and neck. I like to use patting motions, not rubbing motions, so my skin can better absorb the products I'm placing on it. Lastly, we're going to apply this Skin Iceland Arctic Face Oil. It is made up of 99.9% camelina oil, which is an omega 369 fatty acid. It revitalizes, repairs, rejuvenates, replenishes. It seals hydration, and you can get it at Ulta Beauty for $35, girl. I really love this oil. I have never tried camelina oil before, so this was my first camelina type of oil. And I will say you can instantly feel your skin sort of soften and become more supple as you press it into your skin. So I just like to really press and pat that into my skin so my skin absorbs it. I like to pat into my neck as well. It is anti-aging. It is perfect for sealing in moisture. It is perfect for dry skin, oily skin. I like to use this preferably at night or in the daytime underneath my makeup. But this completes my complete makeup removal. You saw me beat, you saw me look ugly, girl, and now you see me soft and supple. Before I close out this video, I do want to go ahead and give a post notification shout out to Hey Sarah. Thank you so much, girl, for having my post notifications on. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate your support. If you would like an appreciation shout out in one of my videos, ensure you are subscribed to my channel, of course. Tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads, and hashtag notification gang or squad after your comment. I love you guys so much, and until next time, always remember to serve, honey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.